Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. So this is the question number E of exercise number 20. Student, in this exercise you have given bracket and also you have given many operations here. So according to the BODMAS rule, firstly we use the bracket. B means bracket. So in here there is a bracket with minus 200 minus 50. The answer is 150. So we write here 150 instead of this bracket plus 90 divided by 5. Now here operation minus, then 5, then multiply 35, then as it is 4, as it is 45, as it is plus, then 78. This is our next step. Now students, in this we will solve the division firstly. So where is division? The division is in between 90 and 5. So we will divide 90 with a 5. 5 ones are 5. The answer is 4. Taking a 0, 5 eights are 40. Now the answer is 18. So we write here 18 instead of 90 divided by 5 plus 150 minus 5 multiply 35 plus 4 multiply 45 plus 78. Now students, this question is solved up to this level. Now students, again we use the BODMAS rule and solve the multiplication where we have given. Now the multiplication sign is in between these two numbers and also multiplication sign is between 35 and 5. So it means students we have given 2 times the multiplication sign. So in this step students we will solve these two multiplications together. So comes with me 78 plus the answer of 45 multiply 4 is 4 5s are 20, 2 is carry here, 4 4s are 16, 17 and 18, 180. So we write here 180 plus, when we multiply 35 with a 5, the answer is 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 2 is 17. Answer is 175. Now we use this minus, then after 150 and then 80. So students, if you have given the same operation in a same step, you will solve it together. Okay? When we multiply 45 with a 4, the answer is 180. 35 multiply 5, the answer is 175. Okay students? Now we will solve the which operation here? We have to solve addition. Students, you know the addition sign is between here, here and here. So students, firstly we will solve these 3 one together because no students, we will together these additions like that. 75, 180, 175 and plus 18, we will ignore minus 150. Students, you know that when we have given the addition questions, we have given a lot of number for the multiplication, we will together solve it. For example, if I have given you 50, 80, 20, 30 and I will tell you to solve the sum of this, you will solve together. Okay? So students, same like this we have given 4 numbers. I will take this addition with these numbers so that I will solve it together. मैंने इस प्लस 18 को भी यहाँ पर इसलिए ले आई ताकि मैं इन सब को इकट्ठे ही प्लस कर सकूँ. ठीक है? अब देखो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे आर द ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स टुगेदर दे सिट, तो ये भी इसके साथ आके बैठ गया. देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम हियर. ठीक है बेटा? नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस 180, 175, 175, 78 and 18. These are the four numbers that we will add. 8, 8, 16 and 5, 21. 2 is carry on it. Now 8 plus 2, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 1 carry 25. So we take carry here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 451. So we write here 451. The last operation that I have made minus 150. So here there is a question at the end, and at the end there is only one operation, that is subtraction. So we will solve it by subtraction. We will minus 150 from 451. The answer is 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. So the answer is 301. This is the answer of last question. Okay.